Did you know some of the best indoor plants actually thrive in low light? Yep, you don't need bright sunshine to create a mini jungle on your balcony. Whether your space is shaded by another building, tucked away from direct sunlight, or you just live in an apartment where sunlight is rare, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm sharing 5 of the best indoor plants that can handle low light like pros. They're easy to care for, super stylish, and perfect for beginners too. Let's get into it. Number 1. Snake plant. This one is a classic, and for good reason. Snake plants can survive in super low light and barely need any water. They're basically the introvert of the plant world. Low maintenance and chill. Plus, NASA once found that snake plants help filter indoor air. Neat, right? If your balcony doesn't get much sun, this one will still stand tall. Two, ZZ plant, or Zamioculcas zamifolia. The ZZ plant is a true survivor. It has thick, waxy leaves that store water, which means you don't have to water it often. And it loves shade. In fact, it burns in too much sun. It's also one of those plants that looks good all year long, even if you forget about it for a bit. No judgment. Number 3. Pothos. Want something leafy and fast-growing? Go for pothos. It's a trailing plant that looks great hanging or climbing. Golden pothos, marble queen, neon, there are so many beautiful types. It grows in low light and purifies the air. Just snip a vine, put it in water, and boom, you've got a new plant. Propagation made easy. Four, peace lily. Peace lilies are elegant and lush, and they even bloom indoors. They're happy in shade, but they'll let you know when they're thirsty. The leaves droop dramatically. Don't worry, a drink perks them right back up. They also help remove mold spores from the air, which is great if you're in a damp or shaded spot. One thing though, keep them away from pets. They're mildly toxic if eaten. Number 5. Cast iron plant. Yes, it's really called that because it's tough as cast iron. This plant is made for low light and neglect. It's slow growing but super hardy. Great for balconies that barely see any daylight. It gives serious jungle vibes with its deep green leaves and upright form. Now, tips for you. Rotate your plants every couple of weeks. Even low light plants like a bit of balance. And don't overwater. Most low-light plants hate soggy soil more than anything. You can also try using grow lights during winter. They're affordable and help a lot if your space gets zero sun. That's it, 5 awesome indoor plants that won't complain about the shade. Which one's your favorite? Or do you already have a little green buddy on your balcony? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more plant-friendly tips, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and happy planting!